Today, today we'll be discussing about the different terms and terminologies in the cam system. Now, I have drawn a radial cam. Radial cam. The radial cam is this is the axis of the cam, and this is the follower. Actually, what happens? The cam rotates and the follower goes up and down. So how? If you see, actually this is happening like that. If I see, so this is actually the motion of the cam. If you see, this is the cam and this is the follower, and there is some spring systems are there, and this is the guide. This is the guide, this is the spring again, and so you see this another types of cams. Another types. The previous one, if I can see, just a minute. I want to show you that one, earlier one. This is the thing. This is the cam, and this is the follower, and this is the springs. Okay. Again you see. So in our analysis, so this is some portion. It is opening. This is going up. Okay. So that's we have understood. We have understood that. So this is the follower. So actually the cam was rotating and the follower is going up and down. But here what we will do, so that means there was a relative motion between the cam and the follower. Now what I will do, so I will keep the cam stationary and the follower I will rotate. So the red color is the, so red color, this is called cam profile. This I will say is a cam profile. So red color is called cam profile. And the entire portion is the cam. Entire portion is the cam, and this is the, and this is the follower. Now here, if I draw, if you see, so this is the center, and with this center and least radius. Suppose I take this is the radius, this is the radius. I suppose I take this is the least radius. With the smallest radius, if I draw one, this is the smallest radius, I draw circle. The smallest radius, I draw the circle, and center is this one. So which is tangent to the cam profile, the smallest circle which is tangent to the cam profile, this is called base circle. This is called base circle. So you get it? What is the base circle? As a center with the smallest radius, if I draw a circle, so that is the called base circle. Now, what is the trace point? Next we will go to the trace point. Now, suppose this is our cam and this is one knife edge follower. the knife edge follower, this point which will travel on the cam, profile of the cam, that point is called trace point. That point is trace point. In case of roller follower, center of the roller is called trace point. So what is the function of this trace point? So this point will draw the profile of the cam. This point, so here, which is the trace point? So here, this point is the trace point. This point, center of this is the roller, and this is the follower. Follower I am rotating because in my cases the cams are fixed. So this is the trace point. So okay, the trace point is this one. Now the trace point will move this portion everywhere when this follower moves. So trace point will draw one curve. What this curve is parallel to cam profile, it will draw one curve like that. This is the profile, this is the locus of the trace point. The trace point will go and parallel to the cam profile, it will draw one curve. Then, do you see the cam profile? What is the cam profile? This was the cam profile. Now, cam profile and this curve is same. This curve is called pitch curve. This is called pitch curve. So you are getting it? What is the pitch curve? Pitch curve is the locus of the trace point. What is the trace point? For a knife edge, the contact point. For a knife edge, contact point is the trace point, and for roller follower is the center of this is the trace point, which will trace the profile. So locus of this trace point in this cases is the pitch curve. In case of knife edge, suppose it is a knife edge. Suppose this is the knife edge follower and this is the cam. So in knife edge follower, cam profile and pitch curve are same. This is the cam profile as well as this is the pitch curve. Both are same because both is lying on these things. But in case of roller follower, this is the cam profile, red one, and the black one is the pitch curve. So now with the center as O, so let us call it the center of the cam is O. Center is the cam O and the least radius of the pitch curve. Suppose this is the least radius of the pitch curve and which is also tangent. If I draw one circle, so this circle which is the tangent to the pitch curve, this circle you are understanding? This circle the curve chilo tangent to the cam profile. Now this circle is tangent to the pitch curve. So this circle is called prime circle. Prime circle. So that means what is the base circle? Base circle is the tangent to the cam profile. And how it has been drawn? It has been drawn, O is the center and the least radius of the cam profile. Prime circle, how it is drawn? it is tangent to the pitch curve, and O as a